Hi, my name is Jen, and this is my family cookbook. I ordered it back in 2019, and I made it into a picture book of recipes for our kids. But over time, these pages have been starting to get really buckled from all of the water damage and heavy use because I use the cookbook all the time. So I thought I would reach back out to the folks at Create My Cookbook, and I ordered a new one. And I just wanted to share with you guys about this new paper, which is super awesome. And it doesn't look like it, but this paper is actually water resistant. So I was going to just show you guys how that works. I've been really happy with it since we got it, but I am actually, yes, pouring water onto my brand new cookbook to show you guys. It's not soaking in, it's not buckling. Wipe it right off. No issue at all. So I really recommend you check this out. This paper is fantastic, and I'm really excited that I can now have a cookbook for my family that is going to be preserved over time. So check it out. Thanks.